Okay, so I did this math for Ellie Marie is a short-haired domestic short hair, and her weight is 6.8, and how many milligrams? She will receive 1 milliliter. So the math is, so for the milliliters, she'll have 1 times 2 times 7 equals 14. So she'll have a total of 14 milliliters. So I'm going to write this label for this prescription. So today is the 10/31st, 21, and this is for Allie Marie. And the directions are give 1 milliliter. So it's give 1 milliliter twice a day, every 12 hours for 7 days. I would put the veterinarian's name and my initials. So this in total, the Kavamux has 15 milliliters, and I only need to add 14 milliliters in water in order for it to be equal 15 because it has 1 milliliter of the powder, of the Kavamux powder. Okay, so I'm going to put this label on the bottle. So now I'm going to start making the solution. So I have here is 14 milliliters of water. I'm going to put it, I'm going to reconstitute it. Put it in here. And then so I've put the diluent in there and just mix it up. I'm going to place it in here. And we're going to go take this to our patient. Hi, for Allie Marie?
Yes.
Okay, so the doctor prescribed you Clavamux, and the directions are to give 1 milliliter twice a day for about 7 days. And what I like to do is to take off this part.
Yeah, it's my first time.
Okay, so basically on the top of this, I like to use scissors to chop off a little piece of it because this syringe will not fit when you put it in there. So what I like to do is just put it in there and then invert it inside out and then suck up 1 milliliter. And what I did for you is that I have made you a little mark right here to make sure that's 1 milliliter.
Oh, I see the red part.
Yes, that's 1 milliliter.
Okay.
And then, have you taken this medication before?
No, I told you I didn't.
Oh, okay. Well, basically, this is a medication that will help your cat get better with this upper respiratory infection. So how you store this is that you put it in the refrigerator because it is a medication that requires refrigeration. And make sure before you administer it to your cat is that you shake it well because the medication is going to sit all at the bottom. And you want to mix evenly because you want your animals to get the whole medication evenly. So I would also want to remind you that Clavamux does have side effects. So the side effects for your cat would be vomiting, diarrhea, and decreased appetite. And usually it may take like 1 or 2 days for it to go away as your cat gets used to having medication. This is going to be a total for 7 days. So the duration of the symptoms should not last as long because this is a very short period that we're giving this medication to help cure your cat's upper respiratory infection. So if your cat has any adverse reactions for more than a couple days, please call us and we will figure out another treatment plan for her to get treated or find a different medication because we want her to get better. Okay, so I'm just gonna pack this in for you.
Thank you.
Oh, and also make sure you flush the syringe in every use because sometimes it can get like a little bit crusty and you don't want any of the remaining medication to cross-contaminate. So just like take the syringe and fill it with water and just squeeze it in and out and then just like leave out a little bit of air for it to air dry.
Okay.
So I will package this for you. And here you go. Have a great day.
Thanks.